Imagine this. It's 11:47 p.m. You hear water running from your bathroom, but no one's using it. So you step inside the bathroom to check, and you see your bathroom has turned into a shallow lake. That's emergency plumbing, and almost every time, it could have been prevented. Here's how. The cost difference. Emergency plumbing is never just a repair. If it is classified as an emergency, then it means something bad has happened. This means you'll need after-hours service calls, water extraction, drywall removal, floor replacement, or other related fixes. Because a burst pipe doesn't just fix itself with one invoice, it multiplies.
We're pumping through the pipes and whatnot, and then Jonas goes, "Hey, it's leaking in the kitchen."
Zach McNair says that's when everything became a blur, as his wife grabbed their 6-year-old son.
Preventive maintenance, on the other hand, is predictable. A routine inspection, a small valve replacement, clearing a partially blocked drain, or catching pipe corrosion early. One is a controlled expense, while the other is financial chaos. Stress factor. Emergencies don't wait for you because you have a meeting. They can happen during holidays, weekends, right before your guests arrive, or when you're already overwhelmed. Water damage spreads by the minute, and while you're scrambling for towels and shutoff valves, stress levels spike.
If a pipe bursts, there are temporary and permanent fixes you can make. In either case, shut off the main water valve first.
On the other hand, preventive maintenance feels boring, quiet, and uneventful. But the thing is, boring is better than stress, panic, and midnight calls. The damage you don't see. Most plumbing failures don't happen instantly. Pipes corrode slowly, seals weaken gradually, and drain lines clog over time. By the time something bursts, the warning signs were already there, but you didn't see them. Routine inspections allow you to catch small leaks before they flood, pressure issues before pipe cracks, and early sewer blockages before backups. It's not dramatic, but it's certainly protective. Long-term value. Emergency repairs fix what broke, whereas preventive maintenance protects what hasn't broken yet. One is reactive, while the other is strategic. A maintained plumbing system lasts longer, performs better, and costs less over time. And most importantly, it doesn't interrupt your life. Do you get your plumbing systems checked regularly? Comment below.